I'll admit, when my new foldable 5-in-1 indoor workout bike showed up on my doorstep, the cynic in me rolled her eyes. Sub-$150, magnetic resistance, foldable? Yeah, right. Yet after more than a month of daily rides, sunrise warm-ups, push-through hit intervals, and leisurely evening spins, I'm genuinely surprised at how much this little machine delivers. If you're hunting for a budget-friendly way to pedal your way to fitness without sacrificing performance or space, here's why this bike has won me over. A pleasantly painless assembly. Most at-home fitness gear demands a weekend warrior's worth of patience and tools. Not this bike. It arrives about 70% assembled. Unpack the main frame, clip on the handlebars, thread in the pedals and seat post, snap on the display, secure the stabilizer feet, and you're done in under an hour. The printed manual is clear, but I found the accompanying online video tutorial especially helpful. The camera angles and on-screen callouts eliminated any guesswork. No mystery screws, no ambiguous diagrams, just a straightforward build that felt more like tinkering in a garage than wrestling with flat-pack furniture. Rock-solid frame that stands tall. Climbing aboard that first time, I braced for the wobble. Instead, the steel frame felt rock-steady beneath me even at my heaviest sprints. The designers clearly prioritized weld integrity and a durable powder coat finish. No creaking joints or paint chips after weeks of use. Yoked together with precision, the structure supports riders up to 300 pounds, and I've personally tested it with seated pedaling, out-of-the-saddle climbs, and everything in between, without any hint of instability. Precision magnetic resistance, 16 levels of challenge. The star of the show is the bike's 16-level magnetic resistance. With a slim flywheel rim and powerful neodymium magnets, each turn of the tension knob brings an immediately noticeable shift. No lag, no that feels about the same confusion. Level 1 lets you spin away on active recovery days. Crank it beyond level 12 and you'll feel your legs beg for mercy. And best of all, the entire system operates in near silence, just a soft hum and the gentle whoosh of the flywheel. Whisper quiet operation, your neighbors will thank you. Noise pollution is the silent deal breaker when I shop apartment-friendly gear. Here, under 20 decibels is not marketing fluff. I hopped on for a 20-minute spin at 7 a.m. and my partner slept through the entire thing. On Zoom calls, I can even keep the bike going at a moderate pace without my voice getting drowned out. Thanks to a braided elastic drive rope, there's zero rattle or creak, just smooth, unintrusive resistance that makes early mornings and late night workouts equally feasible. Ergonomic comfort, long rides require smart design. Too often, inexpensive bikes skimp on the basics: uncomfortable saddles, rigid handlebars, limited adjustability. Not here. The saddle offers firm yet forgiving padding, hitting that sweet spot between plush and supportive. The handlebars double as a mini frame for recumbent style workouts, giving you the option to ease pressure on your lower back. Seat height and fore-aft adjustments lock in place solidly, and I've dialed it to fit everything from my 6'1" frame down to guests as short as 5'0" without a hint of slippage. Fold and go portability space is your friend. Once you're off the bike, a quick flip of the release knob and the frame pivots upright on its built-in wheels. Suddenly, an exercise bike that once claimed prime real estate becomes as slim as a rolled-up yoga mat, perfect for tucking behind a sofa or slipping into a closet. Rolling it back out is just as effortless. Tilt, wheel, and you're ready to ride in seconds. In my modest 300 square foot living room, reclaiming floor space has been a revelation. Simple console with real-time feedback. No fancy touchscreen here, just a crisp LCD panel showing time, speed, distance, calories, and even heart rate via electrode grips. It's all laid out clearly so you can lock in a 20-minute goal and watch progress in real time. Above the display, a sturdy phone holder lets me follow along with virtual classes or binge watch while I pedal. It's basic, but in practice, it's all I need to stay motivated. Who should consider this bike? At $139, it's hard to find anything else that offers this blend of stability, resistance range, quiet operation, and foldability. Beginners will appreciate the smooth low-end resistance and straightforward setup. Intermediate and advanced users won't outgrow the higher tension levels and comfortable ergonomics. Apartment dwellers will love how discreet it is when folded away, and budget-conscious shoppers can rest easy knowing they're not sacrificing sacrificing quality for a low price. Minor quibbles and why they're easy to overlook. No machine is flawless. I've had to retighten the pedals once or twice as they loosen under strain. The fold release knob feels a bit oversized, and attractively engineered latch might have been sleeker. And the saddle, while excellent for most workouts, could feel narrow for ultra-long rides. But each of these points is a quick fix. New pedals cost under $20. A DIY latch mod takes 5 minutes, and you can swap in a specialty saddle if you're logging marathon training miles. Final verdict: in the crowded sea of budget exercise bikes, the Foldable 5-in-1 indoor workout bike stands out as a genuine overachiever. It skirts the pitfalls of cheap design, wobbling frames, noisy mechanisms, fiddly resistance systems, and delivers a dependable, customizable ride day after day. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey, mixing in cross-training, or need a discreet cardio option for small spaces, this bike deserves a spot on your radar. At under $150, it's not a gimmick, it's a surprisingly polished, portable, performance-driven machine that'll keep you coming back for more.